Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be talking about Mirae Asset Gold ETF. The NFO of this fund will start on 9th Feb 2023 and will close on 15th Feb. The allotment date is 20th Feb. ETF will get listed on the exchange within 5 days from the date of allotment. During the NFO, the investor can invest minimum of Rs 5,000 or any quantum above that in multiples of Rs 1. Now, Mirae Asset Gold ETF intends to track the performance of domestic price of physical gold. Each unit of the ETF will represent roughly around 0.01 gram of gold. Gold is considered to be one of the very important investment avenue because apart from the potential for wealth creation, it tends to behave in an uncorrelated manner vis-a-vis other asset classes like equity, which potentially makes it an important component for investor portfolio as a potential source of wealth and as a tool which may reduce the risk of overall portfolio. Gold tends to perform relatively well during the periods of higher inflation and economic stress. For example, during global financial crisis of 2008 and dot-com bubble of early 2000. With inclusion of gold, investor portfolio may be more robust during such times. Over the years, gold has maintained its purchasing power through price appreciation. Thus, a small portion of the investor's portfolio may be ideally allocated towards gold. It is also important to note that like all asset classes, gold prices are also affected by several factors and tends to have period of outperformance and underperformance and periods of higher volatility. For example, gold has underperformed Nifty 50 index in last 5 out of 10 calendar years. Now, while there are multiple options to invest in gold, exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs, are probably one of the ideal way to take exposure in gold. These funds, which stores and seeks to track the performance of physical gold, can be bought and sold on stock exchanges easily, just like stocks, in multiple of 1 unit, where cost of 1 unit can be around, let's say, Rs 55-60, reflecting typically price of 0.01 gram of gold. Investor can also go to the asset management company directly and buy and sell in basket size, whose value is typically equal to 1 kg of gold plus minus the cash component and other charges. With ETFs, you don't have to worry about gold storage, purity, markup cost, or lock-in periods. In case of ETFs, capital gains tax apply like in case of debt mutual funds, where for investment of more than 3 years, long-term capital gain tax of 20% will apply, but investor can avail the benefit of indexation to reduce the tax liability. For less than 3 years, investor will be taxed at applicable income tax slab rates. Investors who want to take exposure in gold can seek to take exposure via Mirae Asset Gold ETF. We hope for your participation in this scheme. In case of any queries, please contact us through your relationship manager or our social media channels. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and take care.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.